Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today the hunt continues. Searching for I'm still trying to get used to the names of the Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but it's a effect Veiler. So I went to my local Target and bought, I think, 13 packs. The reason why I bought 13 is because trying to not make the number 13 unlucky. We're trying to make it lucky. So that being said, I'm gonna pause the video and take all of these packs out of the blister. So I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. All of the packs are out of the blister. So hopefully we are going to pull some good pulls. Get some good pulls out of here. And so I figured out that the card trick for this in particular set is kind of like Pokemon, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like that. So just build up suspense, and so pretty much all these cards are just, I opened up enough of these to know that there are gonna be a lot of duplicates. So I mean, you guys seen these cards before, or you guys wanna know what I pull actually. So let's see, and Red Rain. So that's also a duplicate. I've pulled that one before. All right, so next pack. So I opened a nostalgic pack from Target. Target had some nostalgic packs. I actually opened some up with my buddy of mine. Later I will be posting that, so stay tuned for that. He gives me a lot of hints, a lot of pointers of these new Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. So that's good. It's good to know. And ooh, another one of these guys. I'm not sure if he's worth much, but this guy's a good pull. It's a pretty good pull. So not too bad. But that's not the card I'm looking for. I'm looking for Effective Veiler Starlight Rare. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Flip it around. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. King Beast. I don't know, for some reason this reminds me of one of the old school Yu-Gi-Oh! One of the movies that came out a while back, and it was kind of like a Centurion type monster. I don't know, I don't remember, it's been so long. Okay, so last card is the monster that has an Instagram, @Ignister. Make sure you follow him, and hopefully he'll follow you back. One could only hope. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Let's see. And then we have Splash Mage, Magical Hound, Code Breaker, Virus, Lantern Shark, Trace, Deep Sea, Arston, I don't know. weird little vowels in there make it difficult to say. Ooh, I believe this is an ultra rare, probably. So, well, we'll take a look at prices later. I think this might be a good poll, only because of the glittery hollow stuff. So I'm gonna set this one aside in its own little foil protection. So that would be there. So I guess in Yu-Gi-Oh, that's what you want to see, is that type of holographic. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, it brings back memories. It's like full circle, like opening up Yu-Gi-Oh cards back in the day, and then opening Yu-Gi-Oh cards now. It's just pretty crazy to me. And then last card, ooh, Nemesis Corridor. It's pretty cool, nice hollow. It's probably like a 15 cents hollow. So now that I've opened up a few of these packs, I could just, well, from this set, I could tell like what are the values of certain cards. So that's cool. I mean, in the beginning, I didn't know anything about the pricings of this set in particularly, but we'll see if you could get something good. Oh no, the next card. Ooh. Oh, I think that this is a misprint, because there's, look, I don't know if you could see, but there's a factory line right there. The factory, I don't know if you can see that right above there, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I dig it. I would say Geras the Orcusbeck Knight, and someone has put a quarter in the arcade machine again. Oh, and again. I probably need to mute that. We're not in the arcade. So let's see. Alright. So far so good, I believe. Those are called ultra rares, not necessarily starlight rares, but hopefully I get a starlight in this opening. So we got Parallel Exceed, Link Burst, XYZ Revive Splash, Unchained Twins, still don't know how to say that, Stare of Mail, Buzz Saw Shark, and we have another Nemesis Corridor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left to go. Alright, well, I think so far those two pulls are pretty good. I think. So hopefully let's try to do better. Come on, guys. Have faith. Heart of the cards. Come on, let's see. Link Burst, XYZ Revive Splash, Magic Hound, Buzzsaw Shark, Golden Hair, the newest Plunder Patrol. Golden Hair, newest Plunder Patrol. The little goblin looking person. Goki, the Power Lord Org. Megalith Unformed. And we got a Great Bubble Reef. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so almost close to the end Yeah, so Target had these like legendary packs. That's what it said on the blister. Yeah. So let me go bring this. So this is the legendary pack that Target had. So I was like, I bought a few. I opened a few. But yeah, not too bad. The I didn't get much. I got Cyberjar as the rare and UFO Turtle as the rare on the other pack. So I've decided to just keep this one sealed because on the video that I will be posting, my buddy of mine, he pulled a good one out of that set, the most expensive card in that set. And if you don't know, I don't want to say the lyric, but if you don't know, wait until I upload that video. It's pretty epic. It's a fun video. And we have Thunder Patrol Party with 3 R's, making that emphasis on party. I know for a fact you don't party. And if you could tell me from where that's from, I'll give you $5. 1, 2. Alright, so we got a dragon, red familiar, ancient. Oh, well, we haven't gotten any ancient warrior cards or hollows, so that's good. That is good. And then we got Syncrip. This one's new. I haven't seen this one. Scripton. Huh. This one's a new one. It looks cool. Pretty sure it's not worth much, but I'll put that on the side. It looks like at least like $1 maybe. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how to count. So let's see. Let's see what we have. Come on, Starlight. What is it? Effect Veiler, yeah. What are the odds of that? Oh, AI contact. Not so good. 2 packs left. It's looking kind of grim, guys. Well, at least we got 2 secret rares, I believe. So let's hope that those are pretty good pulls. So we got red familiar. We got ancient warrior, torpedo takedown, catalysmic, something, Goki, iron claw, and the deep sea. Super heavy samurai wagon, and another blue card, Great Bubble Reef. Alright, so I believe that I capped on these 2 secret rares, so here we go. Last pack. Can we get last pack magic? Last pack magic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does the last pack magic translate to Yu-Gi-Oh? Just like in Pokemon? We'll find out next time in Dragon Ball Z. Ooh, Ghost Morning of the Moon Chill. Reading that name gave me the chills. Ghost Morning and Moonlight Chill. Wow, that's pretty grim. That's a grim card right there. Well, let's find out what these cards are worth. So this card right here is going for a whopping, let's see, $26. $26 right there. Huh. That's not bad at all. That's not bad. That is not bad. So this bad boy right here, the Gearsu, I think I said Gears on this card when I first pulled it. So this guy is going for a whopping 30 bucks pretty much. 29 bucks. Almost, I mean, it's almost $30. Let's just round up, guys. 30 bucks right there. Not bad of a pull. And this card right here, this card is going for $5 right there. $5. I mean, it's a trap card. I mean, I'm assuming usually trap cards, magic cards don't go for much. I'm not too sure. I could be wrong. I don't know much Yu-Gi-Oh! Again, I just started maybe like a week ago, but you know, that's it. $5. $5. So, these pulls were pretty good. It's not bad. They're gonna go straight to sleeves after this video. So the hunt continues for the Starlight effective veil. So stay tuned for more Yu-Gi-Oh card pack openings, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And that's it, guys. I will be uploading a video. So like I have a couple videos to upload. So hopefully you guys sit down, grab your popcorn and stuff, and just sit down and watch. So that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. Later, guys.